My name is Felipe, I'm 22 years old, I come from Brazil. I currently study in Australia and I also work as a part-time waiter at a cafe. When I started, my boss offered me $17 an hour, which I thought it was really good because this rate was much higher than what I could get paid in Brazil. I get paid into my bank account and on the same day I receive a payslip. After about 6 months, I was talking to one of my friends about our cafe jobs and I realized I was paid less than the legal minimum wage. I got a bit worried because I agreed to the rate when I started working at the cafe. I thought I broke the law by agreeing to a rate that's lower than the legal minimum wage. I told my friend about my concerns, then he told me I could ask the Fair Work Ombudsman, a government agency, for help. So I did. To be honest, I was a bit surprised by how easy the process was because I had never contacted a government agency for help. I lodged an online inquiry through the Fair Work Ombudsman My account, and not long after, an advisor contacted me to discuss my situation. He told me about my workplace rights, including the minimum wage that I am entitled for my job. He also said that it doesn't matter that I am an international student. I am entitled to the same workplace rights as any other worker in Australia. And I didn't break the law for agreeing to receive less than the legal minimum wage. I was so relieved to hear that I wasn't in any kind of trouble and they could help me. The advisor told me how to get information about workplace rights from the Fair Work Ombudsman website, including the rates of pay that I'm entitled to. They also summarized the information we had discussed in my account inquiry so I could refer to it whenever I needed. I then worked out the difference over the last 6 months based on my payslips. Because I have a good relationship with my boss, I was pretty happy to speak to him about the underpayment. My boss thanked me for letting him know the correct rates and backpaid me the difference. I now receive the correct rates, including a higher amount for working on weekends. I'm still working at the cafe, having a really good time, and I have made a lot of new friends. If you're not sure about your workplace rights, and if you're getting paid correctly at work, get in touch with the Fair Work Ombudsman. Don't be afraid to get advice and ask for help. They're very helpful. It was very easy to get in touch online using my account, or just simply visit the Fair Work Ombudsman website for information about workplace rights and obligations. It's also important to remember that you're not breaking the law for accepting a wage that's less than the legal minimum wage.